And I'm gonna do basically my bread recipe, but I'm gonna add more sugar, some eggs, and some cherries. Let's do it. Let's make some bread. A little bit panicked. But I just heard this huge bang and my bread maker is now on the floor. I don't know what happened. Did I do something wrong? I don't know. I'm gutted. I was really looking forward to that cherry bread. Oh. It was at the proving stage, so I'm just gonna prove it and hope for the best, because there's no point in wasting this yummy, lovely dough. I did it! I made bread without a bread maker!